How to play Roblox without the app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to play the Roblox without the app, first of all make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. As you do that, launch the Chrome browser on your device over here. Make sure you're logged into your account, and as you're logged into your account, simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen in the Google Chrome application. So just make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection, and as you do that, tap on the option of search bar and search for Roblox. So here you can just tap on the three dotted lines and then tap on the desktop side and then launch the Roblox application. So as you do that, here you can continue in app, but since we do not want or do not have any app, we're going to tap on continue in browser. So as you do that, you just have to enter your login credentials and you will be able to play Roblox in the browser without the app. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.